I've got a craving, so I'm going to make a grinder salad wrap. Well, like my bean salad recipe that I've showed y'all before was like this. So I'm going to take some salami. You just have to keep pushing it down. My lettuce in here. And you can add some pepperonis. Gonna add some white American cheese. You can use provolone. And I'm gonna take some sliced banana peppers. Gonna give this a little shake. And now we're gonna make a little dressing to pour over it. Put a little mayonnaise, a little pepper, some salt, and some red wine vinegar. Give this a little stir. Okay, I'm going to use a tortilla. I'm not an expert at rolling these things up. And try to keep the ingredients down in there as you roll. I probably won't though because I'll make a mess. Cut it. It's good.